here.
Didn't I just cover that?
Don't you see? We're busting moves like a bunch of teenagers.
So what you're saying is, even though the potion was fake, we're only as old as we feel.
That's almost like you should thank Yzma for robbing you of every last cent. Wait, that can't be right.
Let's get her!
Stand back! Don't make me use this!
Ooh. Your cough medicine?
No, my most fiendishly diabolical potion ever! When I drink this, you won't be able to lay a finger on me.
Get her!
See, I told you so.
That's weird. Let's all reflect on these lessons on our way home tonight.
Huh? Oh, how cute.
You'll find peace of mind on the floor. Take a little time, come to see.